Yo, what is going on, YouTube and Instagram family? Andre Money back at it again with another video here. And today I'm going to be going over a few pairs, which is going to be GPUSD, Euro UD, and Euro NTD. Euro NTD I already got it for buys on with my Piss Profit Cup students. Euro UD, we got a buy limit going on, and GPUSD as well, we do have a buy limit. But before I go ahead and get started, just go ahead and smash the like button and comment below. So that way you could ask any questions that you have. And if you do want to join my live training sessions, just click the link in the description and the link in bio on Instagram as well. So that way you could jump on my live training sessions, and I'll see you guys in my next live training session. So with that being said, today on GPUSD, as mentioned on prior videos, we still have a lot of bullish movement going on, right? So we look at GU all the way from the weekly time frame here. So on the weekly time frame, we still need to keep on rising to the upside to fill in this imbalance area that we have over here. And potentially come and test our conventional price candle or clear our buy liquidity here. So with that being said, if we go to lower time frames, I'm just going to be looking for buy opportunities. Not really going to be looking for any sales. Why? Because overall, we are in a bullish movement to come and fill in our imbalance in our conventional price candle that we have over there. Now, coming into our daily time frame, if we look at our daily time frame here, we could see how market has been retracing down. Let me just zoom into this. So right here, all I'm going to be waiting for is for market to keep on retracing a bit lower to fill in our 50% of our imbalance area that we have inside this daily time frame, which is this 3 bullish movement candles. I'm going to be getting on that 50% here, because on the 1 hour time frame, we could start seeing another confirmation that we have as well, which is called the false trend. If you guys look at my playlist on YouTube on Worst's free course, I explain more in detail on what a false trend is. But therefore, right here, a false trend is an area where retail traders are being trapped, right? Because when retail traders take it in for sales or buys, they usually mark their trend lines like this. Like they see a downtrend coming down, but as an institutional trader, we look at it, asking for them placing their stop losses and accumulating stops on the first and second entry. So usually trends are formed by 3 taps, the first one, second, and third, right? And stop loss are mostly accumulated on our first and second. So right here in the second tab that we have is where we have this buy sell liquidity. You might not be able to see that good on the 1 hour time frame, but if you do go lower into the 15-minute or even 5-minute time frame, you could see how we formed the buy sell liquidity here, which is this equal highs the market has to clear out. But before we even do that, the market has to be pushed lower. Has to push lower to cut the most recent equal lows that we formed, which is going to create that turtle soup area. If you don't know what turtle soup is, like I said, go to my playlist and just go to Worst's free course, and it teaches you what a turtle soup is as well. So right here, we're going to be clearing this equal lows to then come and test into our 1 hour accumulation price candle that we have right here, which would also be filling in our imbalance area. Currently right now, we already clear our sell side liquidity that we have right here, which is bearish movement to the downside. But market still has to come in and push lower to do what? To fill in our imbalance that we have right here for GU and come and test into our commercial price candle right there. So GPUSD, I do have a buy limit. I am only risking 31 to get a total of 227 picks. So here is the buy limit if you guys don't have it, and if you guys do want to get in for those buys right there, just go ahead and place it on your MT4 and you'll be securing in for those buy opportunities. So for instance, the only thing I'm looking for GPUSD, just waiting for that to happen, clear out the most recent equal lows to come and test into our commercial price candle, and also filling in our imbalance area that react. That's what empty gaps, right? So the next pair is going to be Euro odd. So on Euro odd, I'll be looking to get in for buy opportunities, because if you take a look at the forward time frame, we could see how we had now clear out previous equal lows in this area. So we had now clear equal lows, which market did on this bearish movement to the downside. And when we clear equal lows, well, market's gonna now start reversing, right? Gonna start reversing. Why? because there's no more buyers in this area. So we have now cleared all the buyers, our retail traders, who got in for buying opportunities inside the equal lows because they saw a double bottom. So since there are no more stop losses, there are no more retail traders, the banks are going to be looking for a bigger push to continue rising. And right here on the forward time frame, you can see how we had formed this 4-hour imbalance area that we have going on, currently creating buy-side liquidity and clearing out sell-side liquidity to come and test into our commission price candle here, which it already did. Now, you might ask yourself, you might be saying, why did you not get in for a buy right now? Because if we look at lower time frames, like the 1 hour, 15-minute, and 5-minute time frame, we could find more precise entries. Why? Because we could see lower commission price candles down here. So if you come into the 1 hour time frame here, we have the 1 hour commission price candle that we're waiting for it to be tested, which is right in that area. And on top of that, it does also align with her 79 February. With our 79 Fibonacci discounted price level. So the only thing I'm going to be waiting for here is for market to keep on retracing down. So it still has like around 20 more pips to go. Yeah, around 15 pips more to come and test the 1 hour commission price candle, which would be filling in the overall imbalance on the 1 hour as well. So for Euro AUD, I'm only risking 112 to gain 25. There's my entry price, there's my profit area, and this is my stop loss area for Euro AUD. Risking 25 to gain 112. And well, Euro NCD, we have already gotten for new buying opportunities. Last night was my students on Pitch Perfect Club. We did get in for a buy down here, which we tested inside as a commission price candle, which was our daily commission price candle retracement that we came into. So far for Euro NCD, we actually have 4 entries. So we have been swinging this trade. This was our first entry, second entry, third entry was last night, and the fourth entry was currently right now for this London session. So what happened here is a market counter retrace into our daily commission price candle, which is our first entry that we got. So we mainly base our first entry from this commission price candle on the daily time frame. Now, the reason why we got in right there on the opening of that one is because if you look at the 1 hour time frame here, well, here on the 1 hour, we have another confirmation that once we came and tested the daily commission price candle, market created this push to the upside. So if we create that push rejection to the upside, I knew that market was now going to continue on rising up. But before we did that, market had to come back down and test into our most recent commission price candle that we created on the 1 hour time frame, which was this candle right here. Therefore, this is where we got in for the buy, and we are currently up around 70 to 80 pips from this entry that we have going on. We are up 77 pips. And the reason why we got in on this most recent entry is because we simply saw the retracement coming down, because we did clear old highs in this area. This old highs were cleared out, leaving us with this commission price candle here and this imbalance area. So what happened? Market came down to fill in the imbalance and come and test into our commission price candle. On top of that, we did our fib, which I did, which was from the start to the impulse. We came all the way down to our 705 fib level, which is our OT entry. And that is why I got in for a buy on Euro NCD tonight. And this was actually a sniper entry with no drawdown. I got in right on this candle open and currently running on for that entry around 10 pips. Not much, but either way, there's no drawdown, and we should definitely see Euro NCD continue being bullish to the upside to hit our final take profits that we have for them. So with that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, smash the like button and go ahead and comment below as well. And if you want to be part of my live trading sessions, click the link in the description or the link in bio on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in my next live trading session. So with that being said, everybody have a nice day or night wherever you're located at, and happy trading to y'all.